Yeah, definitely. I like this setup right now.
Good.
I was just talking to them
I
about.
like your shirt.
Oh,
Our top of the line machine is over there. That's mostly designed for the design engineer who needs to make it. Is currently on Kickstarter for $979, and that will end, and the price will go to around $1,100.
that's not bad actually. So you leave a couple $100 on that one.
All the machines will run foam, plastic, carbon fiber, plastic of all kinds, aluminum, brass, steel, stainless steel, 1075 steel, and titanium.
Oh, is it interchangeable with a laser head, or is it just
We do have
router?
a laser head for all of these. The laser head is an attachment. This rotary is an attachment. So the machine does not come with this, but that is an attachment that we add on.
This is perfect if you're gonna make those cups. Redesign or maybe design.
Yes. If you come over here.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Everything you
Oh,
see
the
here,
PC board. This is perfect.
everything you see here was done on our machines.
Oh, look at this. Great
So,
projects.
talking about figurines, there's Iron Man.
Depending on what your timeline is.
There's a slightly larger version of Iron Man.
And look at this copperhead. So those are making ice cubes. There you go.
There's some more of the figurine concept of for talking about gamers. 5 micron is the precision of those machines. Calibration is built in and set up.
App along included with it?
We sell you we don't sell you the software, it's given to you. So the software comes with the machine that you need to operate it, and software for doing your CAD drawings.
Okay.
If you want to do your drawings with something else, as long as you can export them as an SVG, DXF, or STL, you can bring them directly into ours, and it will convert it for you.
That's awesome. This is what it's.
We will be in San Francisco mid-July.
This is what it's currently creating right now.
That is correct. Yes.
Yeah.
That's mainstream. I can work from something like that. The cam, you will. I just took a picture of this.
Yeah.
Now the 3D model.
Look at that. I told him that would get me in the ballpark close enough for me.
And for what